Okay, so today what we're doing is we're planting mint, and this is Mexican mint. We got it at a Mexican store. So what I've done already is I've filled this terracotta plastic container with some Miracle-Gro with moisture control. And while I do this, while I start to prepare this plant, I'm going to answer the 5-question challenge. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle. Well, okay, so we're going to open this up a little bit. So what was the first question? Why do you garden? Well, I garden because I love it. I love green plants, especially flowers, but I also love to make my own vegetable plants, like tomatoes and cucumbers and all that. Alright, so we're going to take this pot and we're going to flip it upside down. You just hit it once and it just falls out. You see all this white stuff? That's the vermiculite. So you just open it up a little bit on the bottom and then you put your plant in, approximately where you want to do it. Then you just backfill this area. So the next question is, why do you YouTube? Well, I became a vegan and I thought that the easiest way to be a vegan is to continually cook. And I had all these new ideas I wanted to show my viewers, I wanted to show my subscribers and my friends and my family. So I became a vegan. I could have called myself A to Z vegan, but that didn't sound nearly as good as my name. Why do you garden? Well, I garden because I love herbs in my food. I love to see flowers, I've already mentioned that. I love to cook my own food, like for example, this is a Japanese cucumber, and I made this. Well, okay, God grew it, but I put it together. Look at the Japanese cucumber, it's all twisted. And eventually we're going to make a video on how to. This is an onion that came from my garden. I mean, these are beautiful onions, and you can't beat the price. This over here is crookneck squash, which I'll be making a meal soon, and they all came from my garden. These are my tomatoes from my garden. I mean, these are all very, very good reasons. Yes, this one is green. Why I garden. And these are my bell peppers. Well, this is one bell pepper from my garden. This one's a little short. The thing is that when I garden with my food, I know it's safe. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to worry about the pesticides that can be in it because I didn't put any. And with companion planting, I can put in garlic and I can put in onions. And these onions emit a flavor that keeps the bugs out. And I've had very little. Sometimes the leaves do get eaten. I guess they have to eat something, right? But at least I don't try to poison the plant, and that will poison me. And that's the reason why I garden. Alright, so now what we're going to do next is we're going to water it, and I have a technique, I call it watering twice. So while I get ready for that in the sink, I'll show you what the next thing is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're in the sink now, and I'm going to turn on the water, and I'm going to use it to find space. And I'm just simply going to fill the entire container with water. So that the plant, and it's going to get a little bit overwatered because you're filling this, you're making sure the soil is going to compact around the plant. And sometimes what I do is I put a little bit more earth so that the plant has plenty of earth. Okay, so that's enough. Now this one, it's going to drain in the sink, and because I didn't bring any covers when I bought these pots, I'm going to have to wait for it to drain. So this concludes how to plant an Italian mint. Thank you very much for watching me plant my mint plant, and we'll see you soon in our next video. If you like this channel, please subscribe or give us a thumbs up.